video, and it's DJ, and we vlogging again today. Today, we about to go to the bank. I'm about to go exchange my shoes with some different shoes, and then might go get ice cream and go to the park. So that's today for today. That's the move. So that's the move. That's the move for Daddy. Yeah, no, maybe so. But yeah, so we on our way to the bank first. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the bank first. Our YouTube, I'm at the bank, mobile bank, cause DJ back there slumped as usual. And after this, I'm about to there's something on my nose. Yeah, it was. But after this, I'm about to go return my shoes. We'll exchange my shoes. Hi, could I get a cashier's check? Okay, and I can see your full face. I see part of your face is blocked, so okay, thank you. You're welcome. Okay, thank you. Heavy talk about something. I need to see all your face, your whole face. Like, girl, I'm just gonna give you some of this. You come to the bank. Oh, okay. But yeah, after this, I'm about to go exchange my shoes. You do have enough points to get a free cashier's check today. Do you want to use those? Yes, please. Okay. Thank you. But I'm about to fill this cashier's check out so I can go exchange these shoes, and then I'm gonna go pay my rent, and I think I'm about to go get ice cream and to work. So I'll see you in a minute. We is getting matching shoes, right, Eddie? What we get? We about to get some shoes. I done came here and got some more shoes that I was not supposed to get. Alright, you all, I am cooking some homemade mashed potatoes, homemade loaded mashed potatoes with bacon and cheese and sour cream. Right now I'm cleaning the potatoes with some crab legs and some shrimp and some string beans. So yeah, this is the rest of my vlog. This is what we're about to do for today. Me and DJ got some ice cream already. So yeah, I'm about to get the cookie. Alright, that's my cashier's check. I need some salt to clean my potatoes. potatoes cooking back here. I'm about to start my crab and my shrimp. And I got my string beans back there. And yeah. So right now is the waiting game. You already know. So, alright, timer off. Time to check my potatoes again. Let's see. Oop. Almost. That one getting there for sure. That one too. And smaller, that's why. I say about 10 more minutes. Yep. I'm gonna give it to that water boil out for real, for real. Bag up, baby. Ah. Everything is cooking down nice and good. I got 1 more minute on the potatoes, and I'm gonna take them out and start mashing. I put a topper on my crab. I turned it up some. And yeah. We about to make it cool for a sec. That shit is hot. All right, towards the end of me cooking, DJ got really rowdy. He started being fussy, so I had to feed him some of the crab that I was cutting. But I am cutting my crab now, placing everything on my plate to get ready for us to start eating. I deshelled all my crab just so it would be easier for us to eat. Easy access, especially because DJ is very impatient. So, yeah. Alrighty, and here is the finished product. Crab, string beans, shrimp, and loaded potatoes with bacon, cheese, and sour cream.